Hello guys, welcome back here to another video. This is how I draw dog. So let's start from there, like that, like probably like that. I mean, no. Okay, so now I got the right colors. Wait, what does this do? Oh yeah, this the. Ooh, that's even better though. Okay, so I know how to do this now. So you probably want to draw like a simple dog like this. A simple dog there. I need to do a little better. Let me do a redo. Do not follow what I just did there. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the ears first. For some reason. And then like that. That's how you should draw. That's how you should start off with drawing a dog there. I don't know why it's glitchy. It's just really annoying. Okay. Now you want to do this. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of detail there. It's probably gonna be like a dog. Like this. There we go. And then we got the tail. There you go, guys. Basically, that's how you do a dog. Now, if you want color, just you use some type of like. I'm doing like shading like this. Just doing this one. Cause like I'm really into drawing. I haven't did like drawing for a while. So anyways, I'm just gonna do a gray dog with the outline of green. So the size is way too big. So I'm gonna bring that down to a slim. There we go. Now this. My screen is kind of sticky right now. I need to go wash it off. Cause oh god, I've been touching the screen. Sticky fingers. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you draw a simple dog. Now, if you want to go into detail, I'm probably going to do it like in real life, though, one day. It's probably going to be like in a few days. The school is almost back, so. Well, if you live in Exeter or something like that. It's like school starting back in Exeter. So, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.